truth is, time does not fly or stand still. It does not quicken pace like hurried footsteps on a busy pavement, or crawl to a stop like an engine run out of steam. Time is simply what it is. An hour will always be 60 minutes. A minute will always last as long as minutes have. We've chosen that our coffee be instant and our journeys be express. The yours faithfully in our notes have been replaced with need this ASAP. We knock on doors a lot less and prefer to see life through windows. Windows that come with microchips and blink in our palms.
Life is a circle, they say. So if we have learned to fast forward everything from the present, there will come a time when we will have to learn to pause. To run our hands on soft leather and be able to feel every single grain. To be consumed in the patient process of pottery, the play between fire and clay, and their eventual transformation into work of art. There will come a time when our conscious choices will bring us to these experiences, when we will seek lightness in layers, when we will set our own rhythm, distant from the chaos and humdrum of the present. The stimulating yet calming nature of this trend lends a refined and rhythmic quality to the overall palette. The sublime sense of pale lilac, the earthiness of beige, the nourishing quality of pastel green, colors that have the power to nurture, colors that have a deep relationship with the haptics. Porous textures of sponge and cork add their absorbing quality to this trend, and pursuits like kintsugi and eco-dyeing that reflect the philosophies of patient indulgence. They will all make themselves evident and appeal to us in their entirety, the process, the practice, and the time they deserve. A year of the here and now. A year to simply be in the moment and to embrace slow living.